Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever logged into TradingView and suddenly realized your trusted toolbar is missing, don't panic. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to restore the missing toolbar in TradingView as of the 2025 update. By the end of this video, you'll have your drawing tools back in place and be ready to analyze charts like a pro again. So let's dive right in and get your workspace set up just how you want it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up TradingView in your browser or through the app, whichever you normally use. Take a moment here because sometimes little things like a browser cache can cause display glitches, so it's always a good idea to refresh the page if you haven't already. Once you've got TradingView open, you should be looking at your usual dashboard. Now at the top of the screen you'll spot a menu bar. Go ahead and look for an option labeled Products. It should be up there among the tabs. Click on Products. This section gives you access to various TradingView features and tools. I know it might seem odd to head here when you're just trying to get your toolbar back, but TradingView groups a lot of settings in this section after recent updates. Next, shift your attention to the very top left of the window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Usually it's your initials, a profile picture, or a default avatar if you haven't changed it. Click on this profile icon. It's sort of like popping open the hood on your account, revealing a bunch of personal settings and customization options. Here, where the magic happens, look for the setting called Enable Drawing Panel. Sometimes it's tucked away under a submenu like Chart Settings or Interface, so take your time if you need to hunt for it. If you see that the drawing panel is disabled, or maybe the switch is turned off, just enable it. Flip that switch on and you should see your toolbar pop right back up on your chart. This might take a moment for the change to process, especially if your internet connection is a little slow, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Give it a couple of seconds or refresh your chart if needed. You'll know you've done it right when you see those familiar drawing tools and icons lining the side of your chart, ready for action. And that's all there is to it. Once you've enabled the drawing panel, you'll have complete access to your toolbar again, whether you're adding trend lines, annotating patterns, or anything in between. It's a small fix that makes a huge difference. I always say having the right tools visible is like having a chef's knife ready in the kitchen. Analyzing and trading just isn't the same without them. If this helped you get your toolbar back, don't forget to tap like. It lets me know these walkthroughs are making a difference. If you have any questions or if the toolbar still isn't showing up, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more straightforward TradingView tutorials and trading tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy charting.